Hey there, this is Mahesh. Today I'm off to see the oldest caves in Sri Lanka, the Fa Hien caves in Pahiyangala, Kalutara. But first, let's check out a nearby waterfall.
Hey guys, we're off to Nachchimale Waterfall.
We had to stop occasionally to give way to the locals and just simply enjoy the scenery. When we reached Nachchimale, we ran into a temple complex inside a forest. Before long, we realized the forest was full of monkeys, so we stopped to say hi.
Hello, කොහමද? බල කොහමද? කතා කරපම් පොන්න. එන්න මායක. අද ඔක්කොම එනවනේ බලන්න. Hello. Hey, බයද?
අන්නගත්තේ උඩුවල කමක් නැහැ.
අපි යන්නද? මේක මොකද්ද ගෑද්ද? ඒකත් ආරාණේද? Hello. Hey monkeys. How you doing? මේ කවුරුත් නෑ වගේ නේ ලොක් කරලා ගිහින්. Hello. උඹ වඳුරු විමානයක් නේ. Wanduro Imane nigga. This is like Monkey Island. Come on. This forest is full of monkeys. Jesus Christ. Never seen so many monkeys in my life. It probably goes into the wall and this. You don't feel like going into the forest. Hello. Look at the little dicks.
After looking at Monkey Dick, we headed for the waterfall. Soon we were back on the road on the way to the caves. To reach the Fa Hien Cave, we had to climb these rocky steps to the top.
Check out the mountain, the straight cliff top. I'm not gonna climb that fucking cliff. I don't think anybody can climb that fucking cliff.
At the base of this massive rock is a huge Buddha statue that is over 100 years old.
This is the biggest Buddha statue in this cave system.
The rock is home to wasps, so we had to be careful not to make too much noise.
So these are the cave systems beneath this huge rock. It's unbelievably huge.
These closed-off areas are where the archaeological excavations took place, and where they allegedly found ancient Homo sapien remains.
So they don't allow you to go walk down these steps. You have to look from here. They say there's nothing there. I'm sure there's something down there, but they won't let us go in there. So this is the cave. From this corner I can see the full size of the cave. The full size and breadth of the cave can be seen here. Very nice. But you know, as caves go, it is very, very small.
This is the head monk of the Fa Hien temple. He explains that the 48,000-year-old Homo sapien remains were found at these closed-off dig sites, and the famous Western scientists were involved in the excavations, and that the remains are the oldest Homo sapiens fossils found anywhere in the world. Also, he says carbon dating confirmed that the fossils found here were between 38 to 48,000 years old.
Again, carbon dating
These are the sediment layers, with each layer numbered.
Mere bones.
ඔව්.
ඒව දැන් මෙතන නැතුවද ඒව ගෙනියලාද?
ගෙනහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ.
මේවා
එතකොට මේ තියෙන්නේ කැමරට
And these are the remains of the animals consumed by the ancient humans.
ඔය කැනින් කරපු දා. මෙතනින් තමයි ගොඩක් හම්බුනේ.
ඇත්තද?
This little dig site is where they found most of the fossils. All this should be taken with a huge grain of salt. Sri Lankans wouldn't know carbon dating from tinder dating. But the view here is certainly spectacular. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.